wondered what would happen if we turned off the AC.
I guess we should just try it.
I mean, what's the worst thing that can happen?
Like, it's not gonna explode
So
or
dumb.
something.
Step right up to the wheel of chaos. You could win a whipped cream pie or an egg.
Oh boy. Egg pie?
Tommy, that's such a great fire that you got going there, man. Well done.
Fire?
Ha! You're pathetic.
Ha! You're pathetic. Everything's big in America.
What do you mean? Did someone order a small drink?
Okay, we got a package list for today. Jock, Jean Christophe, Grizigors, Brizikowitz. Oh, and we got John Smith.
It's pronounced John Smith.
All right, here you go. Oh my God, boy!
Finally got my food.
Oh, so I was like, oh.
Sorted!
Sorry.
He's the werewolf.
I don't see what you're talking about. Sorry.
Saw, dude. Oh, shoot, no.
I'm sorry, mate. You don't have the qualifications to do this.
Alright guys, we're ready to raid Area 51. They can't stop all of us.
No. Let's raid the office for our phones. They can't stop all of us.
I'm glad they were right. We can't stop all of them.
Here, Bix. Here, Bix.
That's not Bix. That's a goat.
Well, that was the best chicken patty ever. Oh.
I'm sorry, you're not qualified to be in a ropes course.
Honestly, the spiders at camp aren't even that big.
Here, Bix. Here, Bix.
That is still not Bix.
You were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
I'm sorry, you just don't have the qualifications for waterfront.
Gather in, children, gather in, and let Pop tell you about the first chicken patty day.
Hey, you know what would be a great idea?
What?
If we served the kids chicken patties instead of beef patties.
Yeah, totally work.
That was a terrible story, Pop.
Oh.
Congratulations. You do have the qualifications for this.
Oh, there you are. Here, Bix.
Here, Bix.
I'm not Bix either.
Mamma mia, Marcello, that's 7-second comedy with me, Stefano, and that's how to be Italian. Enjoy this video. Mamma mia, Marcello, what you doing? What's wrong with America? See one hand like a pizza, like a. Mamma mia, what is my pizza still waiting for it? Mamma mia, Marcello. Mamma mia, what is it? This is not pizza. If you put pineapple on it, that's what is it, Marcello. Mamma mia. And now stop laughing, we're angry with you. This is crazy. This is even worse. You can cook pasta and beans, I can call it pasta, did you understand? Mamma mia, Marcello, I didn't understand what's wrong with America. Mamma mia, Marcello, go faster.
We are the real bucket hat.
Brigade.
Good afternoon, Maine Teen Camp.
Good afternoon, Heinzie.
It seems like Shea Butter does not have a package list.
What do you mean he didn't get a package? If he doesn't get a package, we're done as a company. We're done as a company. Look, hold. Okay.
Sir, the results are in. Your knees are completely destroyed. How did this happen?
Morning meds, gotta get ya. Morning meds, morning meds, morning meds, morning meds, morning meds. I have no idea.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray the day you walked away.